Alright, we teamed up with my brother RDB. He picked my whole car out. We got a pair of Zebra V2s. We're doing a huge giveaway. It can be any of your size. All you have to do to enter this giveaway, subscribe to my channel, CoolKicks. Subscribe to RDB's channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, CoolKicksLA, RDBLA, for a chance to win.
We'll like put the rules and text it up.
Yeah,
we'll chop it up.
And then whoever wins is let me know size, and then I got you.
Yeah.
He owes me $50. I just put him on YouTube. $50.
Okay, $20 for la picture. $200 la picture.
If I'm gonna record, it's $50.
No, you.
The camera guy's $400 an hour.
$200 for pay, no more.
Thank you.
He's trying to say picture. $200 for picture.
Hey, that's the worst. When he's walking, you hold his arm up. He gets really mad. What did he do?
Hit my f***ing mouth.
With a pen?
No, with a little needle or something.
What did you do?
It was a stapler.
Oh, you're a bitch.
You threw a stapler in his mouth?
Over exaggerating.
Bro, you hit my lip.
Yes.
Oh. He didn't like that. He didn't like that. He didn't like the thing.
I have it.
Alright guys, so we got that 4x4 G-Wagon here. You've seen this on the channel before. This car belongs to Tyga. The champagne color is the original color. This vampire red matte wrap is what we did, I believe, a year ago. It also has these big old 4G Auto wheels on there. We're returning this back to stock. We have to take it all apart to take the wrap off again. So big pain in the butt when you do a G-Wagon, especially the 4x4. You gotta take all this stuff off again to get the wrap off. So it's almost like another complete job. But yeah, we're putting it back to stock for Tyga. He's gonna get rid of this. He just picked up a LaFerrari. So he's got quite a few cars, doesn't need this anymore. The LaFerrari is actually going to be the next wrap we do for him. Stay tuned for that one. But yeah, we're gonna put this 4x4 back to stock.
$40, I got Boston.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I got Boston.
Okay.
$40.
Okay.
I got Boston.
Okay. That's fine.
That's how you make money,
Okay.
Moises.
He's gonna pay you 20.
Yeah,
He's gonna pay you 20. Okay.
That's the 20. That's how I make money with Moises.
Let's make money with Moises.
Yeah, you want to do another 20?
Hey.
40. 100. You want to do 100? Lakers?
I like this game.
I think they're Lakers.
Okay. I bet it on $40 for today.
You want to do it another 20?
Sure.
20? I think Lakers, huh?
They're putting illegal gambling. Illegal gambling for you guys. Enjoy it. Like
139 to 107, worst loss of the season for the Lakers as they fall by 32.
Don't play.
no playing.
No.
Working on me. Working. Okay, I got it. Haha. Haha.
Ay, saco. Take it out from the bottom right now. Get it out.
Whoa, 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 what's going on here?
These are moving the bumper.
He's moving. No, he's moving. Good job. Mano. You're doing a great job. You know how to put it back when you take it out? Oh, okay. Alright, so we are in that Rolls Royce Wraith. You guys have seen us do a million Wraiths already. The most recent Rolls Royce you guys saw us do is that Dawn with the orange top and the orange interior. So this car has kind of the same theme going on the outside. We wrapped it in white on the sides, and then we wrapped it in this really awesome sky blue color throughout the top of the vehicle. We did the emblems in white and blue as well. So the Rolls Royce in the emblems are blue, and then the outside around it is white. We also did the Spirit of Ecstasy white, just to throw off a little bit. Normally I would have done that blue to match the whole top of it, but this customer wants it to be a little more funky than usual. The owner of this car, CoolKicks LA, the owner of a really dope shoe store in Los Angeles. He has actually a few locations. Really dope guy. He got this car about a few days ago. You'll see it on his Instagram. He really came up from nothing and did this shoe store with his buddy, and now he has a Rolls Royce Wraith. So really motivational stuff right there. But yeah, this Rolls Royce Wraith looks really awesome. We're gonna go to his store right now on Melrose, and we're gonna show him the car. One thing we have to talk about is the wheels. The wheels right now on there are the RDB wheels in polished and brushed configuration. Those wheels are actually off of another Rolls Royce. We threw them on there simply because the wheels designed for this car are not ready yet. As you guys know, custom wheels could take some time, could take up to a month to build. We did place the order about a week ago, so we're rushing those wheels. It's going to be here in a few days. Those are going to be really dope because they're going to be the same wheels you saw on the orange and white Dawn. So they're going to be white wheels. But for now, we have the RDB wheels on there. It looks really good still. The car is lowered on 24s. We have the center caps matching the wrap of the car. So white with blue center caps. It looks really awesome. But yeah, overall, this is a dope Rolls Royce Wraith. It's all about being different, in my opinion. We used to do all of these all black. We still do them all black. But it's always fun to do, you know, these color variations. So yeah, we're headed to CoolKicks right now. We can't wait for the customer to see it.
The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World changed up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World changed up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me.
The CoolKicks gets a cool Rolls Royce Wraith.
Man, this is crazy wrap right now. So you see the inside move? Of course. Brakes.
Oh, now I can see that.
And they haven't tinted the windows either. Once the tint is gonna look better. The tints make a difference, right? I mean, these look good without tints too, so it's not like, yeah, it looks good. It's not the worst thing that it's not tinted. But it's clean.
If you see for white, I would definitely not tint it.
Yeah.
It's black, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, white wheels will definitely set it off too.
The white wheels make a huge difference.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be the same size as that?
24, same size.
These are 24?
Yeah.
Big wheel.
Yeah, the front's the sickest part.
Okay. People don't give. How many people get run over here a day?
Oh, you almost got it.
All right, we teamed up with my brother RDB. Picked my whole car out. We got a pair of Zebra V2s. We're doing a huge giveaway. It can be any of your size. All you have to do to enter this giveaway, subscribe to my channel, CoolKicks. Subscribe to RDB's channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, CoolKicksLA, RDBLA, for a chance to win.
We'll like put the rules in text
chop it
to
up.
it. Yeah, we'll chop it up.
And then whoever wins, just let me know size, and then I got you.
You think you're lonely now? Wait a minute, this is too deep, too deep. Try to get a hustle, and I messed up. All right, that's good enough.
That was good. It was good. Do the back thing. The one you put your back on the thing. Do that.
Lie to myself.